Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to implement this Python module called as Markdown-PDF. It is a convenient open source tool designed to seamlessly convert Markdown files into professional quality PDFs. Utilizing robust libraries such as Markdown.py and PyMoPDF, which we already have covered on the channel, this module provides robust support for multilingual UTF-8 encoded text, embedded images, customizable CSS styling, structured tables, dynamic page layouts, including page breaks, variable page orientations and sizes, as well as automated creation of a structured table of contents. Whether crafting simple documentation or comprehensive reports, Markdown PDF provides an effective and easy to use solution for document creation and customization directly from Markdown sources. So let's get it installed locally and then we will see how it works. Before that, let me also give a huge thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring this VM. If you're looking to rent a VM, GPU or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a 50% discount coupon from their website which you can readily use. Let's start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. Shouldn't take too long. And now let's install this Markdown PDF with simple pip command. And that is quite a lightweight tool and it is already installed. Next up, let me launch my Jupyter notebook as I think it will be easier to run this tool there. While it launches, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation and world simulation, and I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back to see what is happening. Almost there. Now before I show you how this tool works, let me show you my sample Markdown file which I want to convert into PDF. So you see, this is my sample file where I have a lot of stuff happening, like we are testing the multilinguality, we are testing the embedded image example. So in the same directory where I have put it in this Markdown file, I have this Python image, which I really want to put it in my PDF document. So I will be testing if it is able to do it or not. And then there is some cascading style sheet. I also have a style.css, which is a very simple one. In the same directory, just want to see if it can apply that because it mentions it in its GitHub repo. And then there are some formatting like center heading, page breaks, and a lot of other stuff. As you can see, it's a comprehensive Markdown file with some tabular data and then also a complex table with some of the bullets here. So let's go back. This is what we are going to do. I'm going to back to my Jupyter notebook. First, let's import. And once import is done, then we can initialize our Markdown PDF. So if you look at this command, what is happening here is that we are initializing the PDF with table of content level 3 to test heading up to level 3 here. So let me run this. That is also done. It is very lightweight, as you can see. Okay, next up, I'm just going to open my Markdown file locally. So you see that by using the standard Python construct, I have opened my file, which is the local file in the same directory where I have opened this Jupyter notebook. Next up, we are starting to build our PDF file from this Markdown document. So in this example, all I'm doing, I'm adding the complete Markdown file as one section, and I'm applying the custom CSS here or cascading style sheet. And you can see that it has already generated this PDF file and also have specified all the sections. Next up, let's add bit of a metadata here to our PDF file. And that is also done. You can of course customize it as per your own use case. And then finally, you can simply save your PDF file, whatever name you want to give locally. And there you go, it has saved the file locally. As you can see, all the cells are run. Let's go locally, and then this is output.pdf. If I open it, there you go, how good that looks. So it is in proper PDF format and the markdown format is there, and you can see that all the multilingual capabilities are there, images there, and then table of content is there properly. the, Even the table example is proper, and the complex table is also quite good because the bullets are in there. So this was the markdown file. Sorry, let me open that. I'll just close this and then open this. There you go. So this is, sorry, this is a PDF file still. Let me open my markdown file. There you go. So this is a markdown file which has been converted into PDF. How nice. Now in the next example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a more complex markdown file, and I'm going to convert the portrait orientation to landscape, and then we will generate our PDF file. So this is a code which I already have put it in here, and all it is doing the same thing as before, but here we are changing the orientation. That's about it. Let me quickly show you the new markdown file. Maybe I'll show you here in this VS Code. So this is the markdown file, which again contains a lot of multilinguality. There are some advanced CSS heading, and then elements from HTML, some other levels, and then this is where orientation stress testing is being done, portrait to landscape, and then there is a multi-line paragraph to text to check out the text wrapping evaluation, and then these are few of the final tidbits here and there. So let me go back, and then maybe I'll just run it all. I'll say restart kernel and run all cells, and just look at it how quick that is. There you go. So it has produced the output file. Let's go here. There is our new output file. Let me open it. There you go. So we have a PDF file from Markdown and in a proper format. Look at the multilinguality, line breaks are there, headings are there, and then a table of content is there in a proper hierarchy. It's all nested very, very properly. So these are the final checks and stuff. And this is the landscape one. Very nice. So look, I believe real good stuff. Very, very nice tool, all free, all open source. And I have seen this tool being used in a lot of other tools too. So if you are building some tool, you can even use this module quite easily. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts about this. If you like the content, and if you are interested in more PDF to Markdown or more converter videos, check out my channel. I have covered heaps of them. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.